Opposite points on the surface of the Earth are called antipodes, and this map here shows a projection of antipodal points on Earth's surface. So if you were to dig a hole straight through the Earth from almost anywhere in the States, you'd end up in the southern Indian Ocean. Except the tip top of Alaska and Canada is antipodal to Antarctica, and Hawaii is antipodal to Botswana and Namibia. Actually, a large majority of the land is antipodal to oceans. And what's weird is if you draw a circle around the Earth connecting antipodal points, like say what the equator is, then there will necessarily be a point on that circle that has the same temperature as its antipodal point. It works by a bit of math called the Borsuk-Ulam theorem and the fact that temperature is a constantly changing variable. So when you pick two antipodal points on Earth at random, like A and B here, odds are that one will be a higher temperature than the other. So going from point to antipodal point back to your origin while charting out the temperature will give you a graph something like this. It'll have peaks and valleys, but ultimately you'll end up at your starting temperature. So if you cut your chart in half and overlay antipodes along the way, there will necessarily be at least one spot that has the same temperature as its antipode. Then if you add another dimension in the theorem, like going from n1 to n2, you can show that there's at least one pair of antipodal points on the surface of the Earth that share not only temperature but also barometric pressure.